Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I decided to do something a little bit different, and this is like a cleaning video slash laundry slash little grocery haul at the end. Hope you guys enjoy it. It's a little bit different, and I thought I'd just put something different on my mommy channel. So enjoy. Oh, I also wanted to say, like, I'm basically just getting some household stuff done, and I figured why not just record some of it. As you guys can see, I'm just washing baby girl's toys, and I'm basically gonna say I should be putting them on this to dry, this grass drying rack, but you know, yeah. Dusting, guys. I feel like I can never get enough of this done. I'm not even dusting with a proper rig, but that's how you know I'm a mom, and this is not easy to be doing with a baby at hand, but I try. I still have Christmas cards up. Laundry time! Yes, baby girl has a ton of clothes, and I like to pile them up so I can throw in a larger load as opposed to like little tiny loads. Not only does it save on money and laundry, but it's just not wasteful, and you know, I can fit quite a bit in. If you see me tossing stuff on the top of the washer, it's because it's for pre-treating. This is what I do because I like to pre-treat stuff before I just throw it in to ensure that all the stains are removed. So here I'm just showing a few of her cute little outfits. Oh my gosh, guys. Girl outfits are so cute. Look at that one and that one. I think you get the point. So I'm basically going to leave the towels till later. I just don't want to get fuzz all over her clothes, so I tend to wash those separately. So I clearly found something that did not belong to baby girl, and I'm just showing you guys my little organization system behind the door. I'm begging my husband to build me a laundry cabinet storage idea, but for now I use that basket behind there, and it seems to be doing the trick at keeping everything organized. I'm washing her JJ Cole car seat liner because winter's gone and she'll no longer fit in it, but that was an amazing product for the winter, guys. If you are having a winter baby, I definitely recommend it because you don't have to bundle them up in like giant snowsuits and whatnot to go outside. Like, that just does the trick. So unfortunately, the dryer went off for quite some time, and these clothes are coming out a little bit more crushed than I would like. I don't mind ironing, but I quite frankly just don't feel like I have the time to do it. So upon taking these clothes out, I kind of placed my husband's dress shirt on the top of the dryer. I'm trying not to crush them too much because if they do get crushed, they would require ironing for sure. So I then resort to taking these clothes and I throw them in my sectional in my sitting room because it's just a large sectional, and it's just a good space where we can basically have communal folding with the girls as well. They love to be involved. Yeah, they're sleeping. At this point, I just grab my husband's shirt, and I myself or my eldest daughter will just go and put them on the top of the staircase or just bring them up to his closet and hang them up. I spy a lot of color in this load, so clearly none of these things are mine. Because as you remember, the girls say I wear a lot of black. Here, baby girl is crying. She is in need of some more milk. Oh. Supper time. Well, it's not quite supper time, but I must prepare. Tonight I believe I just made some cabbage and I don't even remember what I made because this video is recorded already. But I'm just maintaining the cabbage, you know, chopping it, washing it, all that jazz. So today I'm doing a quick little mini grocery haul. I don't even know what to call this grocery haul, really. I technically want to do the whole monthly grocery haul, once a month grocery haul thing. I've done it before, but we've fallen off the wagon and I'm finding it harder and harder to do it. So we are just back in the state of picking up things weekly and kind of working with what we have and then picking up what we need. So that is what this is. And I'm gonna jump right in. So yeah, hopefully I can get back to the whole once a month grocery haul thing that we've done before and just kind of pick up what we need so we don't have to keep running back out multiple times a week to get stuff. So let me show you what we got. So here we've got some granola, soft and chewy, and it's got reduced sodium. Ketchup, double from Costco. Cheese, you know how we do. We have some produce, blackberries and blueberries, and I pray these ones don't spoil in the fridge. Bananas, banana, like 4 squares. Some potatoes, you know, rather simple, yellow potatoes, and those are the bomb, y'all. Eggs, croissants, sweet beetroot chips. Shout out if you've tried these. They are really, really good. And they've got less sodium as well. Shout out to Zoe for also sneezing in my video. Liberty yogurt. This is one of our faves, and we always have it in every grocery haul. Milk. Bread. And we love the trio because we can freeze some and use some, you know, salad. And this is honestly just for like lazy days when I don't feel like making you know, a big salad or anything like that. It's just pre-made. Just gotta watch out for the sodium. Green beans, toothpaste, and this is what we like to use. We use Sensodyne. Steel cut oats. These are the best, or this is the best oats I find so far. And sweet potato. I almost forgot these. Aaron left them by the front door. That's it for this little mini grocery haul. We've actually picked up stuff. We've stopped and picked up a few things here and there throughout the week, and I believe just a few days ago. So we didn't need that much, and if we whatever we need, I think the reality is we will have to stop at our local grocery store to pick up just a bunch of those staples that are not so expensive, things that we don't require in bulk. Costco is the go-to place to pick up all the bulk items that we need, and that's why it's good to go there for that. So stay tuned for that. Sometimes you end up seeing those kind of mini hauls within videos because it's not too extensive to create a giant, like it created a haul by itself, but that's what happens. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini grocery haul. Bye y'all.